Welcome to Fine Woodworking News for September 29th. I'm Ben Strano, and I am declaring it hoodie weather. Thunderous applause here. We have not that much to share with you this week, but some of it's pretty cool, and I think some of you will be very happy to hear about it, but I'll try and keep it quick so that y'all can get back to your workbench build videos. I don't know, what are people watching on YouTube these days? Grizzly has a bunch of turning chucks available right now. I'm not positive if these are Grizzly branded. They say Woodstock. I've never seen that brand before, so I don't know if it's like an in-house Grizzly brand or what. So if you are looking for faceplates or four-jaw chucks, thread adapters, all sorts of stuff, head on over to grizzly.com. Also, I saw this on YouTube. I have a hard time finding like the new things on grizzly.com. So sometimes things will show up on YouTube, but not on the website. And I don't know what's going on, but they have a whole new line of drill bits. It looks like they have just about every type of drill bit you could possibly want as a woodworker. So yeah, check out grizzly.com for drill bits as well. And we will put in this fancy video about drill bits in the show notes because it's a good video. Grizzly's really good at making videos. Woodstock has upgraded their sharpening system from a one-time tool, I believe, to a permanent member of their line. $129 for a nice looking clamping guide. For $250, you get the whole thing with the angle fixture guide thing and the sharpening guide and all of that stuff. Also at Woodcraft, they have a fat head hook rule. I'm just trying not to make jokes about my big fat head. Taylor Toolworks has Tay Tools 2, and this should be 2.5, I believe. Down here, it looks like 2.5 by 1.5 inch solid stainless steel, thick, flat machinist engineer squares DIN 875-/0 overstock. Basically, it's a square. It's a little square. $8. If I was making a Taylor Toolworks purchase, I would throw this on just cause. So check that out. Woodcraft has, I don't know how you say this, bumbleshoots, woodworkers oil, citrus solvent, hydrating wood serum, and all natural wood finish, all in one wood conditioner and blade wax. Also at woodcraft.com, it looks like they uploaded a mess of a Mana tool, 10-inch blades, table saw blades, and general purpose blades. If you're in the market for Mana blades, head on over to Woodcraft. Harbor Freight has a 1/4-inch variable speed combat trim router for $90. It looks like a Makita. Looks like a nice little trim router. I'm going to check it out next time I'm in the store. Lee Valley has black steel diamond head forged nails from Cloudery Rip. I don't know. Maybe we could get like the little Google voice to say
Clouderie Rivière. Clouderie Rivière.
And blue steel diamond head forged nails from
Clouderie Rivière.
So if you are looking for really nice nails, really nice forged nails for your woodworking project, check out Lee Valley. And they have the Easy Wood Tools negative rake beading cutters. At first I was like, this is weird. And then I remember how nervous I get anytime I have to turn a bead. So Catch City for me in that old skew. Catch City. If anybody doesn't want to travel to Catch City, ride in the old skew, get a negative rake beading cutter for your Easy Wood Tools. There's like 3 of you that found that really funny, and I'm one of them. Catch City. Oh, so I think that brings us back to the top. Speaking of turning, if anybody is wanting to learn bowl turning or just up your decorative turning game, head on over to finewoodworking.com/eLearning and check out Matt Monaco's class. It's starting in about a week, but you can join on at any time. I've been going over the videos, and there's like 10 hours of video, and we're going to have live Q&A sessions. I'll be moderating them with Matt, but the videos are astounding. The videos are incredible. and they make me want to turn a bowl, and nothing has ever made me want to turn a bowl before. But if you want to turn a bowl, this video series is incredible. So head on over to finewoodworking.com/elearning. Check out our fundamentals journey at finewoodworking.com/fundamentals. And yeah, we'll be back in 2 weeks with more woodworking news, if there is some. And if there isn't, I'll let you know that too. All right. Have a good one, y'all.